This is a easy to do party gele that everyone must learn. So let's get into it. Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and here we do simple head wrap for beginners. Now let's get into today's business. What we need is your material, of course, and you need office pen, and you are good. So as a beginner, I will always tell you, you don't have business with making a lot of pleats, right? So I created just two pleats neatly. Then the division is 50-50, equal part, no stress. Cross the hand right to left, left to right. Now twist the first one and twist the other one too. So after twisting this, I kept it under my armpit. Okay, then I twisted the other one, now directing it on the previous splits immediately after the last split, right? Now I'm going to cross right to left, left to right twice. Do you get? Now the excess I have here, I'm going to just stretch it out and go secure it right here. So what I do to right, I'll do to left. I'll go to the other side, stretch it out, and secure the excess right there too. Now coming back to front, where we're going to be working with the design, so I'll just arrange it, right? I need to arrange it and bring the flap up, match it together, and grab my pin. You know, I told you we need pin. Grab it together with a pin, then use my hand to adjust. I feel that this one at the back is not standing well, so I have to redirect it back to the front, and that gives me a perfect one. So I'm going to remove the other one too from the back and direct it to the front, and it's give me absolutely a nice result. So next, when you want to do yours, dip it at the front and not at the back. So I use my hand to adjust it, and it's giving me this, I don't know what kind of shape is this, and it's so nice, it's beautiful. I love it so much. Tell me, are you going to try this out? There is no how you're not going to try this, because this is for a layman, like a beginner, like pata pata beginner, right? So let me show you another simple way you can style this same wrap. Guys, if you have watched this link, don't forget to subscribe, share this video, and leave a beautiful comment for me in the comment section. Now let's dive into second one. I'm just going to remove the pin. Now bend this one at the front down, right there is, and pin it together with the other one at the back with a pin, right? So after pinning down, I have to adjust. Do you know what happened? NEPA took like when I was doing this thing, and it was so, I don't know, but I was able to finish it like that sharp. You're going to see the part I'm talking about. So I've used my hand to adjust, and I pin down, right? In my pin, and this is the result. This is it. I was able to finish it, but when I wanted to display how it looks like, NEPA took light. And yeah, of course, I love what I created. I love it so much, and this is me. And this was exactly, I think this was the one, that's 1 a.m. in the middle of the night. You can see that, guys. I'll see you on my next one. Bye.